Ramarama Vishwesha Vidyamash. Then again bring the light back here, center of Jesus. Okay? With this feeling, you have to chant about it. See, Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna, Sarvajñatvam prasidame, Ramana Vishwesha, Vidyamashu prayashtame, Krishnarpanam. Offer the flower. Again, where is the light now? Middle of your chest. Again, you have to see the light there. Lift it. Om. Take the flower. Take the flower. Then Om. Now bring the light. Middle of your Umadya. And see light there. Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna, Sarvajñatvam prasidame, Ramana Vishwesha, Vidyamashu prayashtame, Krishnarpanamastu. Offer. Now that is where it is now. Again, do your back in the middle of your chest, isn't it? Again, look at the light, bring the prostrate in the flower. Then bring close to your heart.